What information you said you need?
Is this in warranty or out of warranty?
This one should be under warranty, yes.
Can I have your phone number, please?
Yes, it's 571.
Okay. Is the only number you have? Is that the only number you gave us?
Yeah, this is the only one, the only number from the cell phone.
Okay. So, do you have model number or serial number of what's that dishwasher?
One do you want first? Model number
Model
or?
number? Yep. Anything. Model number?
Okay, the model number is G as a goat,
Mm-hmm.
D as donkey,
Mm-hmm.
T as Twitter,
Mm-hmm.
605, P as Punani,
Mm-hmm.
S as Sam, yes.
Mm-hmm.
M as
Monkey.
monkey, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know. I don't know if this one is a O or a 0. I don't know.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. And what's the serial number?
Yes, the serial number. This one is the serial number is R as Robert,
Mm-hmm.
L as long distance,
Mm-hmm.
733. I think this one looked like 69.
Mm-hmm.
693. And B, and the last one is B as a bird.
Okay, just let me check. Is it in warranty or out of warranty?
Okay,
I'm
thank
looking
you,
for
ma'am.
it. Just stay on the line. Okay, so this is from 2018.
2018.
So probably,
Yes.
yep. So probably it's out of warranty because 1 year warranty is over now because it's from 2018.
I thought you guys have 5-year warranty, no?
No, it's 1 year warranty.
Oh, just 1 year?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because all products have 1 year warranty.
Okay. What's your name again?
Shubham.
Shukran?
Yep. Shubham.
Shubran?
Yep.
Okay. Look, Shubran, please give me some warranty, please.
Oh, it's like it's company policy, sir.
Come on,
I cannot
Shubran,
do
please. This one is new dish. I only use this dish maybe 10 times in
Okay.
2 years.
Okay, if you want to request someone, so I can give you a number. You can call to them. Okay?
Oh, they will fix it?
So now you are out of warranty. You have to pay for trip charge plus parts and labor if anything else like they need for like your device. I can check for you to like how much
No,
you have
Shubran,
to pay.
so this one I have to pay. How much?
Okay, so can I have your area code? Zip code?
Yes, it's too
Okay.
very much.
So we have tomorrow date available, and you if you need to repair, so you have to charge $109.95 plus parts and labor.
$109, and then on top of that, to actually
Plus
fix
parts
it, parts and labor. Subran, come on, this please put this on the warranty, please, Subran.
I cannot do, sir, because because it's a company's policy. So
But
just
I only
I
use
can
it 10 times in 2 years and it break. Who make this? Chinese people or Americans?
can I give you another number and you can call and request them? Maybe they can help you out. Consumer relations.
Oh, so what should I tell them? Like, come on, this is
As
pandemic. Have some mercy.
I don't know, because you are requesting to extend the warranty, so you can request to them because it's company policy. I cannot do anything, sir.
Oh, consumer. It's called GE Consumer Relations.
Yep. And this is factory service area, which you call me. And this is
Factory
factory service
service.
area. So I just book an appointment for technician, like tech service. So I cannot help in like
Oh, you
extended.
do the, can you maybe tell a technician to come here, fix it, and then we'll worry about the payment later. Just don't put anything in the system. Tell the technician I'm your
No.
brother.
No, I cannot do anything like this. This is a company policy, sir.
He will
So
do
I
for
cannot.
free.
Sir, this is a recorded line, so you cannot do like this.
There's no discount, nothing.
No, sir.
What about Corona discount?
You can request to them, consumer relations. So that's why I'm giving you a number. You can
Okay,
request
okay.
to them.
Give me the number, Shubran.
Yep. 1-800
1800
386
386
1215.
1245. Okay.
15. It's
One
not
two
4, it's
one two
15.
one five. Okay,
Yep.
1215. Okay, and then I'll say I ask for consumer relation. Then I'll try to see if they can extend my warranty, right?
Yep.
If that works.
And
Okay, and then
yeah, they can help you out maybe due to COVID, maybe.
yeah, I hope so. I mean, I need to wash
Yep.
dishes. What if my dishes has the virus? If my dishwasher doesn't work?
That's a coronavirus.
I don't know. Maybe I have to wash it to kill it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can request to them, maybe they can help you out. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Shobran. I appreciate your time.
Okay.
You've been very good, and yeah, stay safe and have a good day. And
You too, sir.
appreciate
Thank
it.
you for
Bye.
calling GE
Okay.
Appliances. You have a great day.
All right. Bye.